When we say bake, you say king. Because we're showing you some of the most amazing realistic cakes by our artist, the Bake King. His knife works magic. Once we see a toilet paper roll, and in just one cut, we see a cake. Beware, this is not a fish. It's sweet just like a cake, because it is actually a cake. The Bake King is named like this because of his cake creations. They are like no one else, and this realistic candle proves it. Well, we don't know how we feel about this one, but we know one thing for sure. This artist has real talent. Imagine that everything is 100% edible. That's incredible. His hyper-realistic cakes are driving the web network crazy. It's almost unreal that this is an actual cake and not a glass of water. And what's more important? His cakes are really delicious. Attention, this is not just water. This is a sweet, delicious cake. The Bake King can pull off any everyday item. He has no boundaries when it comes to cakes. Okay, now you get it, right? This is beyond talent. It looks just like magic. He even creates amazing animated characters, and real-life ones too. For a PlayStation lover, this cut would hurt, but for a cake lover, this is a dream. We always lose our TV controller, but this one we would never. Did someone say beans? What beans? We want cake and we have it. Wait, what? This is something else for real. He made a cake just like his own hand. This is big. We are amazed by this incredibly talented baker, and we will make sure to share more of his creations with you.